Hello subscribers, welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. The bulls were excited yesterday and the bears are excited today. As SGX indicate a negative opening of over 330 points. So if you look at 17,758 is the level which is SGX indicating in today's session. We saw a nearly 1300 points down onto the Dow Jones in yesterday's session, down by nearly 4%. And even S&P closing below the 4,000 levels now is slight a riskier part. Coming on to the Nifty, what are the levels you should look in today's session are, let's start with the Nifty over here. So we broke out with the previous resistance in the yesterday session with the gap up opening. Probably I was expecting that it would be the runaway gap, but the things have changed overnight. The structure may seems very different now after the index may open, indicating that we are opening over 300 points down. So we may see a downward level. I believe this area, the area of around 17,900 to 17,700 levels could be the very crucial levels if in case we hold the markets, especially if you look at the Nifty or Indian markets are outperforming by a big margin against the US. And if in case we hold this level, I believe we may see a probably a range consolidation and a higher upward momentum. Till 17,485 was the previous low. I was just keeping a cushion of 17,400 was its bar candle. So keeping a cushion 17,400, if till these levels is not breached, I believe we have been in a comfortable positions to go long over here. So keep a watch in today's session, because if I look at the bullish head and shoulder over here, the similar retest may happen at 17,700, which is the expected open as of now, looking at the SGX at around 7:35 a.m. So we still have around 1.5 hour of time to open the market, so that the things may change. Probably it may go worst or it may see a positive momentum. But yes, if we open 17,700 and hold for quite a day, I believe we may see a higher levels again into the momentum. Again, a slight caution for bulls is over here. We are failing to cross 18,114, which was the previous highs. If I just look at again over here the CNX 500, which is the Nifty 500, the broader markets which have been highlighting, we are still into a comfortable position over here. So if I just look at the close on close, we have surpassed the previous level. We were resisting around the same levels in the I was mid of the August. Now we broke out about this level. We have been closing these levels convincingly. So any dip towards 15,300, 15,200 seems to be an excellent good opportunity for longs. Considering the 300 points down, we may, which is around 1.5, 1.6% down, this index may open around 200, 250 points down, considering the expected levels. I believe 15,300, 15,200 holds the key support area. And even if you look at the hourly chart over here, yeah, so this indicates the gap, multiple gaps over here. So I believe 15,200, 15,300 if you held on to the Nifty 500, or probably even if you take a psychological level of 15,000, I believe all is good for the market, the broader markets as well. And yeah, coming on to the even look at the mid cap index over here. Let me pull the mid cap index, which has shown a strong bullish trend. We have surpassed the previous resistance mark over here. We have been convincingly trending about this level now. So multiple highs have been taken onto the mid cap index, and that's the reason we have seen the broader market CNX 500 convincingly outperforming the Nifty 50 over here, and the momentum is very stronger. So I don't think that the things are very bearish as of now, looking at the 300, 350 points down. But the only risk over is the global markets onto the Dow Jones. If I just look at the Dow Jones chart, yes, so if I just draw the channel over here, 30,800, 30,600, 30,800 stands out to be a very important support zone over here. So we broke this the red line, the trend line which have been drawn, and we closed below that level. But if I just draw the channel considering the highs and lows, I believe 30,600 is very important resistance zone. And keeping in mark over here the retracements level, I generally believe 113, 127 are very crucial support zones. So 30,800, 30,600 plus the channel may act as a support for Dow Jones. In case we break this level 30,500 and close below that, I think the bearish momentum may resume, and this could be termed as just a pullback rally, and we may see a downward. So that's the risk one should keep a watch on. And again, dollar index is also a risk over here. If I just look at, yeah, so it's been posing a threat over here. Look at the momentum right from 107.7 to 110 levels in the yesterday's session is slightly a threat again to the markets as of now. So keep a watch on market. 17,700 on through the Nifty can be termed as a good support zone. The trend chain level could be only below 17,400 levels. Still, that levels are not closed. I believe we may see a time correction and then head higher, or probably I'm not expecting that there could be a V-shaped recovery in today's session as well, but probably 17,700 is the levels which I'll be looking at very strongly into the today's session. Signing off, and have a profitable day.